Good morning, happy Sunday, another day in the challenge that I'm doing, and it's a nice day. The sun is still out for now, so I am getting myself out and about again. I am heading towards m&ds Strathclyde theme park. I am not going to do the theme park. I am going to do the Amazonia section, which is the indoor rainforest. So I'm going to go there, go inside there. It's an indoor one, and I can just walk about, see some animals, have a nice relaxing day, check it out. I have done a video before, but it's been a while, so this is kind of an updated video and just having a nice relaxing Sunday. So that's going to be today's video. So join me for today. We go to the Amazonia, see what animals we can see in the tropical rainforest. Let's go. So I have made it to m&ds, and I've parked up, and I'm going to walk in to the theme park section and then through over to the Amazonia section. And if this is your first time watching myself, my name is Ian. I'm in the middle of a 30-day video challenge. Try to do a video every single day, and today I'm at the Amazonia, the m&ds. So if you are wondering of the location, you walk through m&ds basically, the main building. In the far left hand corner you have Amazonia. And I am in similar, I think anything's really changed layout wise since the last time I've been here. But yeah, I'm going to walk about, see what interactions we can get with some of the animals, see what animals we can see. Yeah, just have a little fun day here in the Amazonia. It is very warm in here, as you can imagine, being a tropical rainforest. The story of Eric. So Eric was a snake. I remember this snake. The squadron had held the snake as a mascot until. So, story of Eric the snake. The RAF snake. If you can just see Eric there. Right. Let's go on an adventure. Amazon milk frog. The common marmoset. Oh, hi butterfly. Oh, there's another one coming over. He's got attacked by a butterfly. Oh, I spot a macaw. I love seeing the macaw show at Animal Kingdom at Disney World. I've caught that a few times if you want to see those videos on my channel from Walt Disney World. There's a macaw. It's looking at me. It's peeking down. Having a little look. Hello. Hello. Oh, what's that up there? A duck. Oh jeez, that duck. These things flying everywhere. Emperor, tamarin. So the Emperor tamarin. Really cute. We'll go into the nocturnal area in a moment. This bridge is closed. Oh, there's a little waterfall here. And a duck just sitting chilling. What do we have here? So there's a butterfly that nearly attacked me. The butterflies are feeding. Oh. Oh, the fish. They are very big fish. And the duck. There's ducks and fish. Playing together. The duck is on top of the fish. Absolutely massive. Huge. I am back at the entrance. I'm going to go down the left side. There's some monkeys here. Where are they? Where are the cheeky monkeys? There's one down there sleeping. I think there's one just there. It's hiding behind that little branch. Oh, come on. Is it hiding from me? Oh, I think there's two up there. There's more fish. That pond just continues all the way through here. Oh, spiders, tarantula. It's hiding just there. Oh, I think it's seen the camera. It's not camera shy. Oh, look at these little things. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up because of the reflection, but there you go. It's an Antilles pink toe. Insects. Got cockroaches in there. Stick insects. I can never spot a stick insect among sticks. Where is it? Where is it? I genuinely cannot find it. See it. I don't want to spend days looking for it. If it's not actually in here. Is that just a stick? Is that it there? Is that the insect? Another tarantula. There's also lots of information scattered around on these big boards. Giving you information of the Amazonia. On the other side of the pond, the ducks are still annoying the fish. Look at this, the butterfly meet here for butterfly tour 12 means we can do a butterfly tour here. Oh, look at, there's another. Is that another parrot? What's we got here? That's a tortoise. That sign says tortoise. There's like a few layers of mesh thick fencing. I'll see if I can get a better look from the other side. There we go, Amazon orange winged parrots. Just chilling away in the heat in here. Oh, armadillo. Gotta go inside the nocturnal area. Oh, what's this? A kinkajou? A kinkajou? So they are not monkeys. It's very hard to show anything really in here, but I'm trying my best. It is dark, there's no flash photography allowed in here for obvious reasons. We've got a lot of tarantulas here. Green, bottle blue, tarantula, Chilean rose, New River, rust rump, tarantula. Asian forest scorpion. I can't even see it. Fruit bat, feed and talk, which is at 12:30. Oh, see some. Oh, boa stick. Right, so let's head on out, back into the wild. What is that there? Argentine black and white tegu. There it's there, just chilling away. Just taking it easy. Now that is the life. That's the life right there. Just chilling. Hello, Mr. Duck. Hey, a big duck coming up. Oh, it's feeding. Oh, this one's on the move. Oh, that's fed. Go back. Play again. Lay it back outside and play. We've got a wait, cheap curacle is nearby. Let's go have a look. See if it says hello, or we can say hello. The butterfly show is on just now, but it's very busy and not a lot of space. Oh, oh, look at that! It's stretching there. Hello. At 4 PM you've got the monkey feeding top. These cheeky monkeys here. There is some more information, the Caribbean conservation information, and here you can learn different things. What have we got? What will the hungry caterpillar do after he has finished eating? Hibernate? Open this box to play the hungry caterpillar game. Information put out saying today our ants are collecting bramble, sprouts, almonds, cabbage and grapes. As you look at this rope, you see them all going up the rope. It's really relaxing in here, to be honest. Really warm, like I've said, but it is nice and relaxing. Learn new things as well, which I like doing, and exploring, as you all know. Yeah, I like it. It's not like a lot. Not a lot in here, but you can spend the day here. In my opinion, just come in here, go to the theme park, come back in here because of different talks, different shows, and sometimes the animals are different in the morning and night time. You don't really see them all on your one visit. So yeah, it's good to kind of take your time, in my opinion, and yeah, different times in the morning, midday, night time, see what all the different animals are getting up to. Like I say, I always take the time, if I can, to check every single one of these, and that's why you just take a snapshot of each kind of compartment, different animals or insects and things like that. You may not see it in that snapshot in time. That's why later on you might see it, or earlier on you might see it. Like white tree frogs. even see it. Oh, there we go. Right there. Yeah, it's just taking the time. Right there you can see the Amazon tree boa snake sleeping. What's under there? Another snake. It's very hard to see with the glare on the glass. But again, you wouldn't even see it because it's in its little home. And sometimes it comes out. Question getting asked, what can you smell? And the hint is it comes from the Rainforest. Flick to find out the answer. Oh, vanilla. I can actually smell it a little bit. And you've got the Shack Rainforest goods, so you've got chocolate, medicines, fruits. What's this one? What can you smell? Coffee beans. So different medicines, coffee, chocolate. Different rainforest goods. We have here a little frog, the golden dark frog mint. There it is there. There it's there. Look, look. I think there's just one there. There's just one. Oh, another one there. Hello. It's a blue, black and dark frog. Oh, I can just see it right there. It's hidden right in the middle, the centre of the screen. It's the only one I can see. This is we give our dart frogs Pringle lids to play or to lay. They're spawning. We are currently breeding our golden dart frogs this way. Oh look, there's green and black. Dart frogs are all here, look. Look at them. Oh. Hello. Where are you going? Oh, are you all going to go? Are you all talking? Oh, camera shy. Looking the other way. Let's go and have a look at the black-tailed and marmoset. Oh, there's two of them up there. One's getting a massage. You can learn a lot about the ants. Little information boards. Another butterfly feeding station. That's where the butterflies are all flying around. Another butterfly feeding area. There's quite a few of them. It is good food. So, we're going to jump. Are we going to go for it? Are you jumping? Are you flying? What are you doing? Come on. Because I'm watching. Because I'm watching, isn't it? You're nervous because I'm watching? Right, I'm not watching you. I'm not watching. On you go. On you go. Come on. There you go. Well done. 10 out of 10. Got a big fish tank here. Very big fish tank. You've got green, swordtail, silver dollar. Can you spot them all? Let's have a look. This looks like another feeding area of some sorts. You've got the netting going all the way up. I wonder what climbs up and down here to get fed. And we go up to here and little plants as well. So, is it ants maybe? Possibly. I'm going to see if I've got a magnet so I can add it to my magnet collection. What do you think? Oh, the Amazonia adoptions area. Let's see if we can get a magnet. Here is some actual patches and photos of Eric the Python. The Burmese python. Some really cool photos, look at that. That's so cool. The patches. Wow. Some really cool historic information on this wall about Eric the Python. So cool. Look at all this. Request to retire from service. Some news clippings in the newspaper. 25 years slipped by for Eric. That is awesome. Unfortunately, there is no Amazonia magnet, like specific magnet. It is kind of animal magnets, but not an Amazonia one, so no magnet today on this trip. Well, I think I'm going to call it a day here at Amazonia. I've had a really good few hours, really. Maybe 2 hours just exploring, taking everything in detail as much as I can. Like I said, go away, come back if you can, make a day of it. It's different times, different talks, different shows. Definitely recommend. But it's warm, really warm. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you all for watching. Hit subscribe, and until tomorrow's video, I'll see you then.